points. Hey, Carson, look at Mommy. Show me your tongue. You're goofy. You're goofy. Do it again. Show Mommy your tongue. Oh, where's your eyes? Well, that's your tongue. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Yeah, there you go. There's your eyes. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Carson. Your nose? Oh, you're gonna go down. Really? You don't say. Yay! 2 points. Okay, one more time, Goofy. Where's your tongue? Ah, nice.